Good afternoon. So right now nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Yume at River Park. Yume is the first residential village here in River Park. River Park is a township development by Federal Land and Nomura Real Estate of Japan, no? So as you can see in the back, ongoing na yung construction ng roads, no? Target turnover of Yume will be on next year, 2026. Japanese-inspired village po siya, no? Since we are tied up with Nomura Real Estate of Japan. Lot sizes is from 300 to 527 square meters. So yeah, if you have more questions or you want to schedule actual site visit, no, just message me, diba? River Park is a township development in General Trias, Cavite. So yeah, be a first mover here at Yume, first Japanese inspired village in the Philippines.